Rohr here with an early global view on Friday, January 23rd, 2015. And it's currently 6:45 a.m. and it's going to be global and yet concise today because a lot relates back to things we discussed in the concise view of the equities and fixed income markets Thursday morning. And central bank-orama continues to be a significant focus as the action between Wednesday and Thursday has had a real impact on all the asset classes. And in fact, right now we will take a look at what it means specifically to the markets. The S&P 500 future, short-term charts, hourly on the left, 30-minute on the right as usual. And this is up $4 at 2,060. Now that is very important because, we've been looking at the others. You understand that this is lagging now. It led the way up most certainly, but it's lagging now. And being right up at around 2060 is right up against the key high and previous congestion area. And Fibonacci support that was violated on the way down into the lows prior to the FOMC, not the FOMC minutes, but on the retest of the levels we saw in the FOMC and FOMC minutes down at the 1985 to 78 level that held up so well. But right now, if we're going to see again this violation of 2060, next resistance could be 2070, but the bigger resistances are up at 2075 and the 2088 level, all-time lead contract futures high. And quite a bit rests with this as well because it's the top of the channel. So if it gets through 2060 timely today, you'll notice where this topping line is on the overall channel up since the trading low back in that 1985 to 78 range. And that would add to the accelerated sense of the market momentum being out above the upper runaway band on the hourly MACD. And if it should react first, the classical supports are in place as usual. There's 2040 to 36, 2025. The market played around with, but finally remained above on the back of the ECB activity. Yesterday. Again, a little bit of nervousness initially, but getting back out above that was pretty important. And of course, below that, you've got 2013 to 16, and then the supports into and below 2000. And that pretty much does it for the picture there, except to say that by later today, this topping line, if it doesn't get out, will be up as high as somewhere near that 2070 area. So we'll see if it can get out early for that key acceleration.